Okay, so a very quick and short guide to those of you who may be interested in exploring different ways of looking for a job, or for those who simply don't know where to look, and also for those who would like to look for a job but don't exactly know what they're looking for. The simplest, easiest, first place to start is USAjobs.gov. Now, in my case, I already have my profile set up. For you guys, you must have a resume. Have a nice one. You need actually a few resumes because each resume has to be carefully tailored to the job you are applying for. And the way you tailor it to it is you look at the job description, you find what you believe to be the keywords of the job requirements, and you make your resume reflect you having done that job using those keywords. 110689. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is me. This is my my USA Jobs page. As you can see, I've applied to many jobs and I have been denied many jobs. And I have also been referred to a few jobs, and I actually ended up getting a job. So jobs are out there. This is your main page. This is your profile. You don't need to know where I live. Besides, I moved. This is your history. So you just fill that out. What else? Your documents. You want to have your documents uploaded to USA Jobs. Now, as you can see, I have 3 resumes. One of them has to be searchable. Make sure it's searchable so recruiters can see you. This one is a PDF. Always submit a PDF version. Do not submit a Word or any other editable version. Always submit PDF. This one is built. They are the same thing, but this one is made on USAjobs.gov website, and the other one is made by me on a Word document and then turned into a PDF. Why? Because some departments request a built one and some request either or. So I have 2. And like I said, always make sure you change your resume accordingly to what you need it to reflect. Other documents you may want to have here: military, cover letter. I probably have 10 cover letters here depending on the job I wanted to apply for. Any certificate that you have achieved, make sure you have a copy here. Any transcript, any college degree, anything you want your job to know about you, have it here, and you will be able to submit it as miscellaneous documents. Preferences, nothing. This is just you setting up your profile. Are you willing to travel? Are you not willing to travel? You can change these at any times. Now let's actually look for a job. Click on search. Now I'm gonna make this easy and short. We are College of Criminal Justice. I'm gonna assume most of you are going to look for jobs in law enforcement field. There are many federal agencies in the United States that offer jobs in law enforcement field. Some of them you've never heard of, some of them I've never heard of. They're here. So the easiest way to find a job in the law enforcement field is typing in this code, 1800. This is your investigation, inspection, and overall law enforcement field. You click on that, you wait. Okay, so I do have a lot of filters set up here. Let's remove my filters and do that again. And this will give you everything there is under 1800 code. Now most of them on top are going to be FBI. As you keep scrolling, you will see other agencies. Look them up, click on things, try to apply. There you go. Defense Human Resource Activity. Who knew there was such thing? I didn't. There is, and they're offering a startup job of GS11, which is pretty high for a government job, and so on, so on, so on. That's probably the shortest way to explain how to use USA Jobs. Different filters, locations, everything else. Let's say you don't know the code. You don't know what you want. You're still learning, you're still studying, you're not really ready to go for a law enforcement job. You want something easy, but you want to get your federal clock started so your pension starts counting down and you can get your foot in the door. Well, let's look at store management. Let's say you work in Rite Aid as your side job and you would like to do that for federal side, just like I said, to get your foot in the door. Let's see what comes up. Nothing. Let's hit enter. Nothing. Okay. Storekeeper. What did we see there? Store, sales store, store associate, detective store, vehicles, assistant storekeeper. Let's see that. And for some reason it comes back to law enforcement, so okay, remove all filters. That was my mistake. There you go, store manager. Or any kind of management. Commissary officer. The commissary, for those who don't know, is a supermarket on military bases, so you can work for them. Sales manager, all kinds of stuff is here. You have to identify to yourself the job you want to be looking for, and then you will, I guarantee you will find it here. Sometimes you don't know what you're looking for, you want to look by department. Let's say you really want to work for immigration. There you go, Citizenship and Immigration Services. And that will give you everything available under CIS or USCIS. So that will be the end of my first short video, because it's already 8 minutes and I don't want to make it any longer. I will be creating another video with another way of looking for jobs and posting it out. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me. It doesn't matter if the semester has ended, I'm always there for you. If you have questions about federal jobs, military, resume tips, anything comes to your mind that doesn't come to my mind, feel free to drop me a line. Thank you.